pupils, this is the important topic on classification of advertising. Subject advertising relating to BBA. In advertising, most important thing is information. Information is considered to be the most valuable resource in the present day societies in its economy. The availability of information is more or less a right of society as it stimulates all economic activities and growth. It includes name of the product, service, and how that product or service can benefit the consumers. It persuades a target market to purchase or consume that particular brand through mass media. So, we come to the main definition of advertising. Advertising is a non personal communication of information, usually paid for and usually persuasive in nature about products, services, or ideas by identified sponsors through the various media. Now, what are the different objectives of advertising? The basic purpose of advertising is to promote a single product or service, to make immediate sales, to create the branding of the product, to introduce a price deal, to inform about new products availability or features, to build an overall company image, to affect immediate buying action, and to increase the market share. So there are different types of classification of advertisement. It can be classified on various methods, but basically or importantly there are major 5 points on which we can classify advertisement. So the first one is on the basis of geographical spread. On this basis, the advertisement can be categorized into 3 subpoints. First one is national advertising. National advertising means when the advertisement is across the country. It is termed as national. So this advertisement is for the persons who are residents in that country. Because any company who runs an advertisement of its products, its mainly responsibility remains to target our local customer and to increase the sales of the product. For example, Patanjali Ayurvedic products. Through this advertisement, the company can build the brand image in our country and as well as increase the growth of a particular business. Second is international advertising. So, these advertisements are broadcasted throughout the world, and it is the process of providing information about persuading the customers and reminding the customers about the brands which are available at the global level. That is international advertising. For example, McDonald's, KFC, Pizza Hut, iPhones, etc. Third category in this is local advertisement. When the advertisement is of a particular product are broadcasted within a local area. So these advertisements must be according to the local taste and preference of the customers. For examples, advertisements of FM, local newspapers, etc. The second classification or the second base for the classification of advertisement is on the basis of target audience or market. So this is the second part and it includes 2 subpoints. First one is consumers. So advertisement is based on promoting products because it defines the consumer's personal consumption. In these advertisements, the company focuses on the daily use of products which are used by the customers. For example, FMCG products like shampoos and soaps, etc. Industrial advertisement. This advertisement is focused on to promote industrial products such as raw materials or capital items and operating supplies. However, the industrial products are totally focused on business to business activity. Third category is based upon media. So in this 4 points are there. First one is print media. Print media kya hai? That has been running for a long time. There are 2 main things which are used to complete this advertisement. First one is newspaper and another is magazines. This media includes various channels or things to promote their products like brochures, yellow papers, flyers, journals. Second is electronic media. It is very popular all over around the world because this advertisement targets many audiences at once and is published in every country. It includes televisions, radios, but television advertising is very costly than radio. Next is online media. Online media is a very popular advertisement, and we also know it as internet advertising. This advertisement helps to promote the products in social media tools. It includes various media like direct marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, and banner advertising. Mural advertising. It is that advertisement which is placed directly on a wall and another permanent surface. This advertising work as friendly with their target audience because they placed around them. Now the fourth classification is according to the purpose. It includes 3 subpoints. First one is to inform. When any advertisement is advertised in any place, the main motive is to give full information about the product to the target customers. Through that advertisement, tell the customer about the features, uses, and durability so that the consumer buy the products and became the potential buyer. Second one is to remind. Advertisement is such a thing that we or any company advertise our products and services and make also our potential buyers. But the advertisement for anything is not done once, because if we quit the broadcasting of advertisement, then the customers will forget our products. So that's why companies repeatedly their advertisement so that the customers remember their products and services. So slogans and jingles are great help here because they help to provide a particular singing slogan and a particular sentence. Next is to persuade. Advertisement is a form of non-personal communication used to persuade or enhance to take a new action. It also helps to define the category of customers about suitability of the product. And the last classification is on the basis of action. Here the 2 subpoints are there. First one is immediate response. These kinds of advertisement provide immediate response in the form of immediate purchase. For example, an advertisement for the offer can result in more sale of a product. Second is indirect response. These kinds of advertisements are work for building the brand image in the minds of the customers so that they can purchase the products over a period of time. For example, advertisement related to banks, insurance policy, and so on.